That's a good question. I think that only starting from local cooperation and working together among local stakeholders, that's the only way I see for develop innovation. Research and innovations are fundamental elements of recovering from the crisis and for a wider social development. So that's the key for the current times. For example, in my institute, we developed a research project that included patients with Alzheimer's disease and their family caregivers, and we reorganized the social intervention, the assistance of these people, and with the assistance of technology installed at home for better improve the quality of life of both the patient and the caregiver. Well, that's fundamental because the experience that you gain in one country, in one territory, and in one organization could be easily transferred with international and intranational networks that gives added value to your research and innovation interventions. Certainly, there should be a good partnership with people with expertise that are used to work together with some feeling, a same scope, a same objective that could be reached together with the common efforts. Yeah, there are very different projects we are working on and that are quite important. So they range from the clinical, like the project on that I mentioned on for patients with Alzheimer's disease, but also telemedicine for people with heart disease. That was implemented in the territory, and it is working, and it is really a good practice in the national area. And from the socio-economic point of view, because we are developing also good practices from this perspective, we are developing a European platform for family caregivers of dependent older people. So that should be implemented in all European countries, in all 27 European countries, for supporting them in different ways. We have a lot of both local and international networks. So starting from the international ones, we are working with research centers and universities in the UK, in Spain, in Germany, and in Sweden as well, Ireland, and so on. So a very good network that allowed us to get a lot of, to win a lot of European projects during the last years. And among the local ones, so in our region and in Italy, we worked for a long time with enterprises as well as universities and other user organizations that could, with which we can work together in a really good way for our efforts and objectives.